Hi everyone, myself Tapasya. Today in this video you're gonna find a short presentation on Fliermeet extending to online social networking sites. So let's get started. First, the objective of our project, as you can see, uh, it gives rise to efficient information sharing. Maximum user range is being covered when it is used as a mobile application and overcoming spatio-temporal constraints because of the same. Then existing system. So here are the three existing systems that have its own drawbacks that have been listed below it. So we are overcoming these drawbacks in our proposed project. This is a proposed system. Fliermeet, which is a mobile application, is a system that enables cross-space transferring. It has its own intelligent tagging, which allows the user to find the flyers being posted easily in any geographical location. Pervasive sharing. From anywhere and anytime you can share any post. Leverage crowdsourcing to repost flyers. We actually exploit the crowdsourcing for reposting the flyers. That is, duplicate flyers are eliminated and the best quality flyer is being back again, it's being uploaded into the database. And similarly, it's predicting category and semantic tags. As you can see, this is the architecture of Fliermeet. Starting from the mobile phone, the user can register. It goes to the database through Fliermeet server, and then he can log in. Once he had logged in, there are these four applications or four options, I would say, that the user is being allowed to choose from, like capturing a flyer and uploading it to the database, seeing the flyer timeline to see all the flyers in chronological order, and the map view, geographically finding the flyers, and sharing and reposting is another option in which you can share it on social networking sites. First module in our project is cross-space transferring. This module only concerns about mobile client being connected to the backend server and you capturing the file, and the flyer is also detected by GPS location based crowd reposting behavior is seen in this module. These are, as you can see, is a screenshot of the application worked on a mobile phone. So here we enter the server pin code server IP, and then the login screen. If you're a new user, you have to register, and then this will be the home screen. And once you're in the home screen, these are the options on the left side. If you see flyer capture timeline and flyer map, and if you go for flyer capture, the right side options will be seen. Then this is a second module, the flyer grouping. Once you have captured the flyer, you can actually group it. Grouping is based on certain context. For example, here we are taking spatio-temporal constraint, that is location based grouping of all the flyers. Publishing behavior, then based on the category or the context of the flyer, we can also group it. And in this same module, we are actually introducing flyer reposting, in which similar flyers are grouped, and the one with better quality is being replaced by all those flyers in a database. So this is a grouping algorithm, ST algorithm we say, spatio-temporal algorithm. So if you see, there is input is new flyer F and output ID will be the group ID of flyer F. Basically in this algorithm, what we do is, there are two things that happening in this algorithm. First is, if in the same flyer board there are two similar flyers, then this algorithm eliminates the duplication of flyers. Second thing is, if there are two boards in different geographical location having the same flyers, then it uploads the newfound location of the flyer. So this is what is done in this, and in the end, if it's a new flyer it identifies, then it will assign a new group ID. Otherwise, the flyer will have the same group ID. Then flyer grouping, as you can see, this is the screenshot of that. First, when you have taken picture of the flyer, then you group the flyer. Grouping is done, as you can see on the left screenshot, and the right screenshot with the grouping is done. This is how the toast comes on the screen. Then this is what's happening in the server side. Here we are splitting the text that is being converted from image using OCR. And this is a third module, that is the intelligent tagging. Flyer category tagging is implemented in 2 steps. As you can see, first we use OCR. OCR converts image to text. So in this way we get all the text from the image that has been captured, and once all the texts are captured, they are splitted. And after splitting, using NLP, that is natural language processing, we actually eliminate pronouns, preposition and other parts of speeches, and we only take important and significant words, and we use that as semantic tags. Fuzzy words and non-word characters, for them we use before NLP regular expressions and dictionary. In here we are using JWordNet dictionary. Then this is a screenshot of another one. Once you have extracted, after flyer grouping, you click the extracting tag button that is shown on the screen, and after the tag is extracted, on the right hand side, if you see, these are the tags that come out from NLP. You can use these tags, and there's another option of flyer reposting. You can also give user tag option that you will see in next few slides. So after NLP, you can see all the important words are being shown to the user on the backend server. Same thing happening, words are being looked up, and when it's completed, then you can see the medicine tag appears to the user on the mobile phone. This is our last module. This is our extension. If you see, flyer sharing, reposting and map. Flyer timeline is one such feature in which all the flyers are arranged in chronological order, and you can see all the flyers and the wall of your application. Then comes flyer map. When you go to the flyer map, geographically you can find any flyer and its detail. So the user can browse by tag or he can browse geographically. Reposting, I've already said. Reposting, detailed information about that repost, including its reposters and user comments, are being shown in detail in the map view server. This is an algorithm for timeline view. We get the image ID, title and description of it, and also its time. And when all these are being shown in the application, if you see, this one is for OSN, that is online social networking. We get the image ID from the social networking site, and the time and the comment, and username, whosoever has commented or uploaded the pic. This is how it looks. As you can see, there is user ID option, user tag option. If the semantic tag is not enough to describe about the context of the flyer, we can use user tag, and then we can click on social network. Once you click on social network, it shows the access control. Either you want to share it to friends or public. Here we have chosen friends, and you can, along with the image, you can post your message over here. And once the message is shown, this is how a flyer timeline looks on the right hand side. If you see, with time, how long it has been taken post, and then the details of it. Once you click it, here you can see how many likes you got, and on the right hand side the review for that post. And then you can add your comments and view comments. And in Fliermeet, on the right hand side, there is a map view. Using that, when you click on the pin down on the map, you will get the details about the flyers. And in the own flyers, all your own flyers, wherever they are geographically shown in this image. And then search, using tag you can search the flyers, and you can see if I have put like study as a tag, then it shows the flyer wherever it is. And this is what's happening in the backend server. Once you go for intelligent tagging, dynamically texts are being written in a, or say, a dynamic text block. And this is on a social networking site. We have just created a for example a social networking site, how it looks. So you enter your email ID and password to log in. Once you log in, this is how your page looks, and this is our conclusion.